What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today we nailed a banger over $2,000 in profit trading the ES. Nice trade, and I'm going to go over it step by step here with you. Plus, you're going to see the live recording of that trade. I stream every day, Monday through Friday from 9:15 a.m. until about 11 or so, sometimes a little bit after. And this trade, shared it with everybody live in the stream, and they saw it unfold. So if you're not familiar with the live stream, join me tomorrow, 9:15 a.m., and I'll be trading futures live here with you. Now let's go ahead and jump into the recap. Right? So this morning, I came into the day, I was not looking for big moves. I said, if we break over 95, so 39.95, if we break over 39.95, I think we can get a move here to 40.20. I don't consider that necessarily a big move, to be honest. It's a good move. It's a good move. But I think that was like the max move I thought we'd see this morning. So far, we've exceeded that by an extra 8 points. Now, my trade plan was to get long over 95, as long as 95 was holding, get long over 95, and look for a move into 40.20. Now, I had multiple take profits along the way there. I'm going to put out an order there to see if I can get some off up there as we break up in front of that 4,000 area. Like I said, today I'm not looking for huge moves, but if we can break up over 4,000, I definitely want to hold on to some, see if we can get that extension. I definitely want to take some profit off in front of this previous little pivot. If we can get there, if we turn around and get back under 93, I'll just stop out of it. SPY with a really good hold of that 200-day moving average, guys. Really good hold there of that 200-day. You see that red line there on the daily chart? We're holding that area very well. All right, looking like it still wants to try to make that move there. It's not giving up. There we go. We're getting that push towards those 399s. If we break 4,000, then we got 405 would be the next level, and 407, 405. Oh, first take profit already off there, guys. I'm gonna start putting out my next take. At 407 would be the next zone I'd want after this 405 area. If we can get over 407, we really got room there. Could be in the 440-15s zone. So we really do have some room. It's tough area on the SPY. You could see here how we're testing it. Oh no, you can't see. Well, it's looking like it's coming, guys. There it is. There it is. That's what's up. Now we're going. Now the party's getting started. I'm gonna put out another order here in front of that. Whoop, boom! That did not take long at all, guys. Oh my God. We're up 9 points here on these next takes. Let's see how much higher this thing wants to go. Up over a K already on the day. Good way to start. I had 5 contracts. You can see right here, I'm down to 2. You can see it right here on the screen. I'm down to 2. Keeping the stop on the remainder of this at break even. Want to see if we can get another little quick push here into that 410 zone. Long from 96 and change. Still looking good. Really good volume on that breakout. You see that volume increase there? That volume increase there is what's definitely giving me some confidence that we could maybe push a little bit more. Microsoft announces multi-billion-dollar investment in ChatGPT maker OpenAI. That, you can see it coming right across the screen here on the bottom, right next to my face. Whoop, this way. That red bar that's popping up there. It's breaking news that just came out right now. Guys, how are you doing? Are you in any trade right now? It's 9:50 a.m. Almost the first half hour of the day is gone. Getting that push here, new highs on this ES. Let's see if we can get pushed up there and over 408. My next take profit, I wanted it to be in that 410 zone. Well, we're creeping up there, guys. 407.75, 408 getting tested. Can we hit 408.50 where I'm sitting at? Sitting there at 408, 408, damn it, 4008.50. Can we tap that? 75, we got 775, 825. Boom, there we go. Let's go, guys. One more contract off, still holding on to some here, up 11 points and a quarter. We're up 11 points and a quarter on this next one, looking for further extension, well up over 40.10. Can we get up over 40.10 now? No, I was putting the order out and it got filled at 40.10. Oh, bro. Well, damn it. I left at least a couple hundred more on the table there. I didn't think we were going to tap it so quickly. I put my orders out on the chart. It's never happened to me before. I always know it's a risk, but it's never happened. I just right click on the chart, put my order, and then I like to move the tab to where I want it. Saves from having to type it out. I was going to put that order at around 14. So what is that? $200 more would have been up 2,400 and change, 2,500 on the day, up 22.75. So not bad, can't complain. And I outplayed myself on my final take profit, right? I outplayed myself on the final take profit. Now, where was my trade? My trade was simply based off of, here's your 60-minute chart. You see this upper wick right here on this red candle, that's 39.95 area. You can see it right there clear as day. That's 39.95. Now, once we broke up over that level, look at the run we had. Now, why did I think that level was important? Well, it was previously double tapped here, basically. You had 39.90. We break up above it, reject, pull back here down to this double bottom, let's call it, of this consolidation, and then we had that reattempt. And that reattempt is really the kicker there. Once you broke up and over that level, you had shorts start to cover, and you had a nice run up. Now that level also coincided with previous support. Where's that previous support from? Back here. Look at it right there. Once we put this cursor here, you can see how we run right across it from that bottom all the way here to this top. And that's the 395 area, meaning it was previously a level of support, broke to the downside, became tough resistance. We finally broke up and over it. And we took off from there. So I got long and scaled into the position. I got long at multiple price points, 39.95.75, 39.95.50, 39.96.50, 39.97, and my final ad 39.96.75. So I had really good ads there. And as I saw the strength coming in, I kept adding to the position. Now my stop was not too far away. 39.90 area, 39.93 area was where I was looking to see, make sure that we would hold. If we didn't hold those areas, I would start to look to get out of that position. Now, right in here, what did we do? We started to kind of like do that little flag or that little wedge, and we took off, right? We took off right here. You can see the time frames. Can you see it here? Yeah, 9:40, 9:50, 10 o'clock, right? Typically, my trades don't happen until about 9:40, 9:45, 9:50. Right in here, we started to break up and over what? 39.95, 39.96 area. Look, resistance, resistance, resistance. Got long. I went ahead and got long on that break up over 39.95, and we immediately push. Now I threw profit targets out there in front of 4,000. Why? Because 4,000 is a level of concern. It's that whole number, difficult zone to get up and over. And previously, we can maybe turn this into a 5-minute chart. We can see 4,000 was holding up resistance back here. So as soon as we got up in that general zone, 39.99.75, I went ahead and took my first contract off. I had 5 contracts. So I took that contract off and I let more run. I took more off over 4,000. Why? Because that 4,000, we've seen it before where it happens, where you break up and over that resistance zone briefly and then take it all back. So I decided to take off some more there at 40.03, and then As we extended, I took more off at 40.0575. And then I said I wanted to take some off in front of 40.10. Why 40.10? Well, look back here on this 60-minute chart. You can see how that 40.08 zone was previously a tremendous level of support. Look, we'll draw this blue line right there and you can see it. Support, 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 support as we pushed up into those 40.30s, right? So right there at 40.0850, I dropped one more piece of the position off in front of that potential resistance zone. And then my plan was to hold one final piece to see if I can get it off in front of 40.20. And when I say in front of 40.20, I wasn't looking to get up into 40.19 land. I was looking for 40.14, 40.15. And I have it recorded and it'll be on the YouTube recap. I put my order, I just right click on my charts and I put my orders on the chart itself, and then I can drag the little tab into the price zones I want. I put my order out there and I tried to drag it into 40.14 zone. And as I'm doing that, boom, I got filled at 40.10, and that was my final piece. All in all, can't complain, right? 2,200 bucks and change on the day. That's a banger. So we'll look forward to seeing what tomorrow holds. All right, guys. Well, that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed it. Smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you traded today, and I'll catch you on another one.